What if your dream home didn't sit on the land, but became part of it? Hidden beneath a living green roof, this incredible earth-sheltered house combines modern luxury, sustainable design, and breathtaking architecture in ways you probably haven't seen before. Stick around until the end because one room inside completely transforms what a compact eco home can be. And if you love unique home tours like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's begin. The first thing you'll notice is how naturally this home blends into the surrounding landscape. Instead of towering above the forest, it's built directly into the hillside, allowing the architecture to become one with nature. The sweeping green roof is covered with lush grass and wildflowers, helping insulate the home while creating a stunning organic appearance. The curved concrete arches give the exterior a futuristic yet timeless personality, softened by natural stone framing the entrance. Centered on the stone patio is a beautiful outdoor fire pit lounge designed for year-round relaxation. Comfortable seating surrounds the fire, making it the perfect gathering place for family evenings, conversations with friends, or simply enjoying the quiet sounds of nature. Integrated into the lower mounted and living roof are sleek solar panels that quietly generate renewable electricity throughout the day. Combined with the earth-covered construction, they help reduce energy consumption, improve insulation, and make this home as sustainable as it is beautiful. Walking through the natural stone archway and solid oak front door, the atmosphere changes instantly. The outside world fades away, replaced by warm lighting, natural materials, and a sense of calm that flows throughout every room. The entry hall welcomes you with softly curved walls, exposed natural stone, smooth architectural concrete, and warm white oak finishes. Hidden lighting highlights every graceful curve, creating a cozy yet luxurious first impression. Straight ahead, the spectacular circular floor-to-ceiling window immediately becomes the centerpiece of the home. It frames the surrounding forest like a living work of art, flooding the interior with gentle natural light. Positioned perfectly in front of the window is a comfortable curved sofa paired with a handcrafted oak coffee table. It's an ideal place to enjoy a morning coffee, read a book, or simply admire the ever-changing view outside. The minimalist kitchen combines elegance with everyday practicality. Floor-to-ceiling matte white cabinetry keeps everything clean and organized, while warm oak accents soften the modern design. A stunning waterfall-edged white quartz island takes center stage, providing generous workspace and casual dining with stylish wooden stools. Above it, a sculptural circular pendant light creates a striking focal point. Integrated appliances disappear behind seamless cabinetry, maintaining the uncluttered aesthetic. Every finish has been carefully selected to create a kitchen that's both functional and effortlessly beautiful. Flowing naturally from the kitchen is the spacious open-concept living area, where cooking, relaxing, and entertaining all come together. A plush, neutral-toned sofa faces the panoramic circular window, while the elegant wooden coffee table anchors the room with warmth and texture. Soft rugs, natural wood finishes, and carefully chosen decor create an inviting atmosphere without overwhelming the space. The primary bedroom feels like a peaceful retreat hidden within the hillside. A luxurious king-sized bed is perfectly positioned to face another oversized circular window, allowing you to wake each morning surrounded by forest views. Soft linen bedding, textured throws, warm oak furniture, and calming earth tone colors create an atmosphere designed for complete relaxation. The gently curved ceiling and walls wrap the room in comfort, while subtle indirect lighting provides a warm glow after sunset. It's a space where modern luxury meets the quiet beauty of nature. The bathroom proves that compact spaces can still feel luxurious. A floating white oak vanity topped with white quartz sits beneath a softly illuminated round mirror, while elegant matte black fixtures add a modern touch. At the end of the room, a frameless walk-in shower features natural stone walls, a rainfall showerhead, and a small oval window that brings in daylight while maintaining privacy.
One of the smartest design decisions is the integrated laundry area. A stacked washer and dryer are hidden inside custom cabinetry, keeping the room organized without sacrificing style. It's practical, efficient, and beautifully designed.
The walk-in closet is every homeowner's dream. Floor-to-ceiling custom white oak wardrobes provide beautifully organized storage for clothing, shoes, handbags, and accessories. Warm, integrated LED lighting highlights every shelf, while a central storage island with a quartz top offers dedicated space for jewelry and personal items. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible earth-sheltered organic modern home, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another inspiring house tour.